Hi, my name is Yadira Fernanda Sánchez Meneses. I am from Aguachica, Cesar. I am studying business administration. In the video task for oral production. In this video, I am going to talk about which what to say water. Curious fact. Did you know that only the process of the word water is for human consumption? A few simple habits changes can hold preserve this important natural resource. Some ways to save water are: 1. Wash our hands correctly, close thickly while we soap ourselves. 2. When browser close sticky or high, a glass in which the water will wish. We going to rinse will we. 3. With washing the slab. Close the key while we soak the slab. 4. We taken a short, make it a cute wash our clothes in while we for soap. I hope you take into account this recommendation to take care of water and air environment. Bye bye.